Hey guys, what's up and welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I saw this potato recipe on TikTok and I decided to give it a try, but we're also going to be making my chicken wings recipe alongside with it. So to make the chicken wings, clean all your chicken wings and pat dry with a paper towel. Then you want to season with some onions powder, garlic powder, some curry, some paprika. You're also going to add some seasoning cubes and some salt or seasoning salt. Anyone is just fine. Then you're gonna drizzle in some oil, some vegetable oil, or you can add melted butter in it and mix everything. Take your time to massage it until it's properly mixed.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the
After mixing, you want to layer your pan and drizzle some oil on it. Then line up your chickens and put in a 360 oven and bake for 20 minutes or till it becomes as crispy as you want it to be. Now guys, time for the potato recipe we saw on TikTok. Now the first thing you want to do is to peel up your potato and cut into sizes. If you're someone that enjoys your potato with the back, you don't have to peel it. Just take your time to wash it properly and cut into your desired shape and sizes. So what I did was I got a bowl of water and keep it aside, and then I cut some of the potato. I put them in the water. That will stop it from getting brown or changing color. Then I went ahead to cut the rest of the potato and added them all in the water. Now it's time to wash them nicely well. Okay, now after washing this, you're going to add it in a boiling water and you're going to add some salted butter. But if you're using unsalted butter, do add a little bit of salt in there. Cover and allow that to simmer. Now they added some flour in a bowl and seasoned however they want, as they said, but I'm seasoning mine with some paprika, black pepper, onions powder, some salt and some garlic powder. Now I gave everything a good mix till they are evenly mixed in there. Then I added water because that is what they did. So you're going to be adding the water little by little or bit by bit until it gets to a consistency. Yes, till it gets to that consistency that you're going to be using. So take your time to mix, but be adding the water bit by bit, okay, so it doesn't get too runny. Now we want a consistency like this. Mix everything nicely well, like get rid of the lumps as much as you can. Now guys, this next point is where I messed up. So my own potato, I think I overcooked it. When I'm about to pick it up, it's crumbling. So just simmer yours down for like 5 to 6 minutes, and the next thing you want to do is to strain the potato out of the water and dip it inside that flour mixture. And then in an oil that has been preheated, you're going to add the coated potato in there and fry until it looks like this or better. Now in a lined plate, we're going to take out the potato and allow that to strain out this oil. Let's check up on our chicken. That has come to my desired crunchiness. So I brought the chicken out of the oven. Look at how crunchy that is looking. So guys, going back to our potato, in a pan you're going to drizzle in some oil, and then you're going to add some chili flakes in there, some black pepper and some parsley flakes. Okay, now stir this and mix it well, and then you're going to add in those potato that you have already fried in there and mix everything. Coat it nicely well, and this potato recipe is ready. Now guys, I tried this and it was so good. It was so good. I really am excited that I tried this recipe alongside with my chicken, no alongside with my chicken wings. They like this combo went so well. I decided to serve this with some ketchup as well, and I lined them up in a bowl, and goodness me, okay, this was so delicious. Let me not exaggerate, but it was so good. You need to give it a try. So this is another way to enjoy your potato, but try to not cook yours too much like I did. So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Tell me in the comment section if this potato recipe is something you would like to try. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.